Hello, guys. How are
Hello,
you?
Francisca.
How are you?
I'm fine.
It's
Hope you
Hardik.
are fine as well.
Hardik, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Now I see you.
yes.
How is your day going?
Was going well so far.
Good. I'm happy to hear. Could you join this morning sell in gold?
Yeah,
That's
uh,
good.
I was there for some time, but I
Okay.
could not hold for so long time like you.
Hold, you mean? You couldn't hold?
I booked the profit actually earlier. I did not hold it for long.
Ah, okay. That happens sometimes. That's also like it's something we have to practice, right? To keep the
Yeah,
the trades for longer. I don't know what happens with
yeah.
my Give me 1 second. I'm trying to broadcast the video. Yeah, this one. I don't know why it looks so blurry. Start recording. Where is it? Screenshot. Okay. Yeah, now, and did you enter now the new sell and gold? Hardik?
Not yet.
Oh, it was a
Because I
good.
missed this move.
It was a good entry we had now, like 50 minutes ago. Well, but it's gonna come again. I think there are news in half an hour, so it's looking good. Oh my God! Look how it's moving the dollar and the yields and the oil too. Is like, wow. I think we hit already take profit too, right? In the second entry. Yeah, we are about. I think I expect a rebound. Did you see the new class we had on? I sent it to you, I think. Finally. Yeah, now it's good. I'm trying to connect my camera. Yeah, here. So did you see the new class I sent yesterday?
FRVP, high volume nodes, low volume nodes, class 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
It's good. It was good.
Yeah. It's very, very good. I use that all the time. I think that the others in the team, you are going to see that we use it a lot for the analysis. So it gives us like a broader context on how is value being built. Like, okay, we hit TP2. How is value being built, and also, like more, like higher time frame analysis to know where are the next targets. So it's my first time. I'm trying to.
And Francisca.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Tell me, please. I'm here for you.
Yeah, I also requested for your SMA strategy, which you replied back. We will check out in a live stream.
Which one, sorry?
So if you can throw some light, SMA, which you are probably using all the time, like SMA 20 and 200.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna. I think I text you that I am planning to make a video. I will try to make it today.
Yeah.
Because it's actually very good. Yeah. So now here we are. Like, the sell is looking good. Yields are going up. Dollar is going up. Oil is going up. I think I have to. Yeah, here. Oil is going up. Dollar is going up. Everything indicates that gold is gonna drop further. I think that actually our target of the day is previous week low, because we had some here in the daily time frame. We have two lows that are not beautiful because they are not taken. Look at that. We always target like equal lows or equal highs. And this one is looking very good. So I think that this is like our target of the day. If price will come to sweep these lows, like this, something like that, and then it reject, we could target also the highs. If we see that price is still holding, right? So now we are already in a good profit in both entries. So I'm gonna send it into the group. Yeah. Is Doreska? I was gonna ask you, how are you?
I'm okay. Sorry, I had to unmute myself. I didn't realize. Yeah.
It's your first time.
I got the gold.
It's your first.
Live. I know. I'm sorry.
No worries. It's your first time.
Yeah.
It's your first time
Really
joining the
interesting.
Telegram, right? The Telegram live.
It is, yes, it is, yes.
Yeah, good.
I tried it once before, but it didn't work. Something was on
Ah,
my end. But,
it happens.
yeah, I can hear that. But
It
you know, I'm
happens.
always so busy, I can't, it's like crazy sometimes. I'm
Oh.
trying to listen to three people at the same time.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to choose. You are in that, but
Yeah.
if you are learning a lot, I have to congratulate
Exactly.
you.
Oh my God, I'm learning so much.
That's so great.
And working so hard as well. Oh my God. But
That's
this
good.
gold move, oh, wonderful, huh?
Ah, this sale is very good. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm happy.
My best entry was at 42, 43 even. You
For-
know the gap down, yeah?
Sorry, where was your best
See the
entry?
gap? When it opened, 43, 45, 43, higher.
Give me 1 second. This
So
morning,
not
now in the
open.
New Year session, 40.
No. Last
Ah,
night,
here,
not
last
open.
night. Oh, you were
Yeah.
trading. Oh, nice. So you got the sniper
So,
entry.
The entry, yeah.
That's
Beautiful. I mean,
perfect.
this morning is like playing, you know.
Yeah, perfect.
Really good.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
that actually the price was unable to reclaim higher,
Yes.
and value is being built at the lows.
Yes.
So I don't know if you saw yesterday class or the other classes we
I haven't seen it yet. I will watch it.
okay, because that also, for me at least, it gives me a very good context on
Okay.
how value is being.
With the volume? Is it with the volume?
Yeah, it's with the volume.
Okay, cool. I'll look at
Okay.
that. It's good because it's confluence for other things that I look at as well, you know? So,
Yeah. What other things you are looking, if you want to share?
so you've got Fibonacci anyway when you have pullbacks and when it fits into, you know, like my CT stuff, yeah, like
Yeah.
a fair value gap or an order block or a breaker block, things like that.
Yeah, that's very
cool,
good.
you know?
Great.
Yeah, so
I also use fair value gaps or inverted fair value gaps. I know
inverted ones.
inverted ones are the best ones. Yeah. So
They're the best.
now here I
Yeah.
think that price could actually, if you will have seen like the other classes, here we can see that I can see it by the eye that we are actually here in a high volume node,
Okay.
because there are a lot of resistance.
Yeah.
This was a resistance, right? So that's why we were targeting here, because previous resistance, sometimes they become support.
They become support, exactly.
Yeah, because also according to value here, there is like a high volume node, right? I can see it by the eye. There is like a lot of transactions happening here, like sell, trying to sell, but then price was able to reclaim. And then here, well, the sellers are very strong because actually fundamentally, like bonds and everything is going up. So I think it's good for ourselves, right? We have to hold it.
That's a really good thing, isn't it, with the yields? Oof.
Yeah. No, thanks to Tamas that we know.
If you don't know that, you literally, honestly, there was one guy in some kind.
Yeah.
He's got like his VIP and stuff like that, right? So you know when gold started dropping ages ago, he's like, war's on, why is gold dropping? He was so confused, he didn't know. And this is a guy who charges people for his VIP.
Really? Who is it?
Yeah, he's on Twitter and everything. He didn't know. He doesn't know anything about oil and the correlation between gold and oil, the correlation between oil and the dollar, everything. He knows. Honestly, I was shocked, but I shouldn't be surprised because that's how some people are.
That's why we have to shout out to Tamas, Alpha Forex, because at the end I want to make a YouTube video and saying why most people cannot swing trade. Because they don't know the fundamentally like Tamas,
That's right.
So, thank to Tamas for this. He's not.
No, but it's a good mentorship with Tamas because, like, I think I've been with him now just over 2 years now, I think, and you just learn so much, over time. It becomes natural, doesn't it?
Right. Yeah, now even my template on TradingView is I copy. I copy to him. I mean, in the sense that I have yields, I have dollar, I have like oil.
That's fine,
Yeah.
And then you discover your own things as well, anyway.
Right. Yeah, that's good that you are learning ICT concepts because
Oh my God,
it's amazing.
Yeah, but now, I mean, obviously, when I first started learning it, he talks. He does these rants so much, and it's like I can't be listening to him. I'm trying to concentrate. Yeah.
Right.
So, but you get used to it. When he's complaining. ICT when he complains a lot. And
Yeah.
moans and that.
Right.
But it's part of the package, isn't it?
Right. Yeah. And also it's part of the package to give us some time to learn. At the beginning it's difficult. We know we know nothing.
We know nothing, no. So you have to, and time. It takes time for yourself to understand it, to digest, and then you know what to do with it. To make decisions.
Right.
Really cool.
Yeah. So are you in London?
I'm in London, yeah.
Oh, good. So I think, I don't know if you heard, but from the next June 15, I'm going back to Switzerland. So I'm going to be more often in your time zone. Now I'm in Chile. I came to visit my family. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will find you more often in the London session.
Yes.
That's good. I'm happy.
Yeah, sure. Today's session was at 8 a.m. So it's a bit nicer than the 7:30. I'm always doing many things in the kitchen in the very early morning.
Oh yeah.
I get stuck in the kitchen like a lady does. I don't know. So,
yeah, it happens. We are like that. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna start looking the 1 minute because I am going to trail my stop before the news. I don't want to give back my profit.
Oh, true, yeah. Oh my God, when news, when it catches you, you don't realize.
Right.
Okay, it's 3 o'clock, okay.
Yeah, so what's happening here is that, okay, so we are in this high volume node. We also rebounded a bit from...
A little bit. I reckon the news, sometimes for me, when I see the forecast, I go on based on the forecast. So according to that forecast.
Forecast where? Sorry? You mean the Forex Factory? Or the forecast? Yeah, here.
Yeah.
PMI.
So with me, I'm happy because it's the forecast. According to the forecast, then gold should drop.
Yeah.
Or should continue to go down. So.
Yeah.
So I tend to leave my position in.
Yeah, but you are using like stop losses?
Always.
Oh, that's good. I mean, in the sense that when you are in profit, just try to protect your capital. Sometimes we give it back, but now
I'm very good at that.
That's good.
I'm good at that.
That's good. So yeah, now the forecast is hot, right?
Yes.
Is Thomas doing live today?
He's not. I don't think he is. Let me check. He didn't say this morning.
Yeah, probably he will be online.
Okay. I didn't see. I was looking.
He didn't say he would.
And Bitcoin is dropping like hell.
Yeah, I'm in that as well.
Wow. Did you actually? Yeah. We sold the top. Like the 81.5.
Yeah, I've been selling, but I've been taking profits. I've been going in and out, but I've been selling.
Yeah, it was a good sell.
Structure. Yeah.
Okay.
So he didn't say. He's selling. Thomas is just selling. He didn't say he was going to come live, but he might come live. I don't know.
Let's ask him.
He's going to say, I've made my money, I don't need to come live.
I'm going to shout out to Thomas in the group because he sent...
Okay.
He said like the Donald, what's the name of that duck?
Donald Duck, yeah. Donald Duck, yeah.
El tío in Spanish we say the uncle.
Oh yeah.
Donald the uncle,
yeah.
the rich uncle.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, he's doing live trading in 10 minutes.
He is? Okay.
Okay, maybe we can see him.
Jump on through. Yeah.
Okay, he's gonna send the Zoom link.
Alright.
Okay. The problem is that we have news and I don't want to give back my entry, so I'm anyways break even, but I'm thinking about trailing my stop loss.
Where are you gonna put your stop?
Trailing, it means that you move it lower and if price comes back here, so I'm gonna move it a little. Yeah.
I doubt.
Oh.
I doubt it's gonna.
Yeah. It looks good.
I feel. Sometimes I just feel it's correct.
Right.
You saw what price did. For me, if you see what price did this morning, it was really confusing people. It was really making some people buy and that. You know.
Yeah.
If you have an idea, I just sometimes have to zoom out and just.
Yeah. So the way that I also use it, I like to trade the 1 minute because I don't know. For me, the 1 minute is the best.
It's good, yeah. It really does show.
And then also using the 20 SMA that we are. I don't know if you saw in the group. We are. Yeah, I'm gonna make a YouTube video about it, that we are using the 20 SMA, and this also gives you like a bias. But yeah, here, this is what I don't like. I'm thinking to book my profit, because actually now the liquidity is above, so that's what it worries me. But yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna take profit. You got such a good entry, Dory.
Yeah, I mean, I had a couple. Yeah, I had entry.
You're waking up early.
Yeah, but you know when I was just even I actually wanted to leave a sell open from the weekend, but I said to myself, okay, let me close it. I'll open at market opening, yeah. And you saw the gap down, so I was happy. Even if I left it open, it would have been fine. But I still want to keep it longer anyway. So
yeah,
you know. But yeah, 42. I put a pending order on that one.
Ah, okay, that's why.
42 or 43. Yeah, I went to bed. I just left it here, you know.
Yeah. You went to bed late.
Yeah, late.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. It's just that now I think that gold could rebound from here. If I see a bullish fair value gap here inverted, I'm gonna close my sell and then I'm gonna enter again after the news. Yeah. This is exactly what it will take me out of my sell. For example, like now, if we start inverting this fair value gap because of the news, yeah, I'm gonna close my sell, take profit, and then I'm
Order
gonna
canceled.
enter again.
Order canceled.
The problem, I'm trading futures, and you cannot like enter small lots like you use in CFD, sorry. It's not so easy to put, for example, 0.1, 0.01, or you have to go in with one contract or one mini contract or two contracts and then closing down is not so easy like it is with CFD. Are you with Forex broker, Dori? Andre.
I'm here. I just need a second. How do you just back that? Check with you. All right.
Everything is dumping so hard. Look at Bitcoin. I want the rebound to get in again. Yeah, it couldn't actually inverted this fair value gap. So sales are still very good. But I'm gonna get in again after news. I hope that it comes to sweep liquidity somehow above these highs, or at least retest this 4,490 and then get in again. Is he live? No, not yet. I'm gonna go and make a coffee and come back.
Okay, then.
Ah, you're still there. I was asking you what trader, what broker do you have?
So mainly with top firms, but otherwise I use IC markets. It's my private.
Ah, I see. That's good.
Yeah, but I'm not even trading private money at the moment. I'm just doing prop firm.
Ah, that's great. Better.
Yeah, because I need the money. So.
Yeah. It's better not to lose it. And also, we learn a lot with prop firms because we have to test our discipline, which is the most important part, and be
the rules.
Manage
Sometimes
the
they're
risk.
hard, but still okay.
Yeah, I like it to have a rebound. I would like to have a rebound to 4,512, 20, guys.
Really?
I mean, if gold makes that, it's perfect for entering a new sell.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
Let's see what happens after the news. We got news in 15 minutes. But look at the oil and the dollar, how it's like flying above the sky.
See?
Right.
See?
It looks very nice though. I hope you guys are all making some good profit.
I passed one account this morning. So
Oh, nice. How many accounts do you have?
I pass them and then I blow them straight away.
Oh,
That's the only one now.
you
I don't know. I've got another one, but I'm still waiting for the payout, and then I'll do the rest of it. So.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it happens. So you pass one account and then you blow it away.
It's happened, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
But I keep sometimes my discipline just goes wrong. So.
Of course, the psychology is the most difficult part in trading. I talk with a lot of
somebody else is using my mouse.
Huh?
It's like as if somebody else is operating my wrist on the mouse.
Yeah. No, like
sorry, lady. Thomas has shared the link. Shall we join over there?
Excuse me, what did you say?
Thomas is shared the link.
Ah, share the link.
Share the link, okay.
Where?
Discord.
But we are live in Telegram, so from the group they should.
He's in Discord or Zoom.
Zoom link. Ah, but this is for.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, you mean Thomas? Thomas, he was joining.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. Maybe I should close my live stream in YouTube and join.
We close yours and then we join Thomas and we join you after.
Yeah. See you later, guys. I don't want to interrupt.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. See you later, guys.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Francisco. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you soon. Well, this live stream is gonna keep going and I'm gonna join Thomas.
I think you close some, but holding little bit.
No, I mean, are you sitting or standing position?
Sitting, please, but working.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Boom. You see, sometimes just let the market do its thing. Don't stress too much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today is 1st of June. As I said in the morning, new week, new opportunities. Where is the Zoom window? I need to close this one. Close this one.
Seems like Zoom Windows is messy.
The who? What? Why?
The beta and the investing isn't like same lane. Like meta is upper FT.
Yeah. Apologies for that. I'm going to correct this mistake immediately, sir.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Sorry for the mistake.
All good. All good.
It won't happen again. I promise.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, beautiful. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very
Thank you
good.
for the kind words. So your chart, you have so many sales. You are the best.
I know.
I was thinking to make a video on why people cannot swing trade like Thomas.
Yeah, you did mention that in a comment.
Right?
Yeah, it's mostly because when people trade in a margin account, it's difficult to swing, especially on small accounts. Okay, I think we are close to 1,000 pips profit again since last week, but obviously last week was it wasn't easy. Let's put it this way: it wasn't easy, but it's all good now. I think that 2-lot position definitely saved my ass and recovered some of the losses. Give me some report on your P&Ls, please. Winning, losing.
Winning.
Yeah,
Good
Dorothy.
afternoon, Thomas. How are you, right?
Very good, thank you.
Good.
Yeah, yields are definitely going up. The situation is not good in the Middle East. Okay, we make money, but I would rather have peace. And I don't care what they do, but do it after my booked holiday, not before. Because they're risking our family trip, our family holiday. And that's what pissing me off.
Uy, ¿está calentito aquí? Mucho monóxido de carbono.
You don't think this will end anytime soon, right?
Ay, sorry.
If you just look at the two key issues on which they can't
Puede ser.
collaborate or come to an agreement, the first one is the Iran to have nuclear
You don't think this will end anytime soon, right?
nuclear project and enriched uranium. It was the same with Israel before, but Israel was a bit smarter with Mossad. They do have, you know,
¿Tienes friolenta?
Muy. No, es que tengo que
enriched.
calentar la
I'm not
pizza
sure
para
they have
practicar.
a nuclear plan and project in Israel. When they did it in the
Están saliendo en
60s
YouTube,
and
les
70s,
digo. Estoy haciendo live stream.
they built this infrastructure in the middle of the
Hoy saludar.
desert. It was like a dome, like a metal dome. And it was France who gave some sort of equipment to build this nuclear power plant or whatever. So it's basically this nuclear plant. And Israel said that they want to desalinate seawater and get some fresh water. But it was all lie. It was actually a power plant or some sort of nuclear plant. And on top of that,
Yeah, that's great.
they built an actual desalination plant. So they faked the whole project, and the investigators from the I don't know what is it called, this global. There's a group who it's the global.
You mean the nuclear?
Yeah, nuclear committee. They came to, well, actually it was the US maybe, who came in to check. They wanted to have full access. And
In Israel or
in Israel, yeah, in Israel. I'm reading a book about Mossad.
Yeah,
It's
yes.
fascinating. And
crazy.
one of the directors of Mossad wanted to have, wanted Israel to become a nuclear power. So they got the machines. Somehow they get the uranium, and they got everything. But they lied to the whole world that no, we don't have any, nuclear plants. But they had. I don't know what happened after because I'm still reading the book.
Oh, how's the book called?
Mossad.
Mossad, right. All right. We'll check it out.
It's
Yeah, because now the whole issue is that the US wants
Gordon
Iran
Thomas.
to deliver the enriched uranium. But yeah, don't think they will do that.
Yeah, this is it. Gordon Thomas, The Secret History of Mossad. It's a good book, good
Thanks.
read. Highly recommend it.
Check it out.
And in one of the chapters, he explains that how Israel fooled the whole world with
Still is. Still fooling us.
sensitive topic. Don't want to say anything.
Yeah, no, let's keep it strictly unpolitical.
Entonces le encantaron las galletas, señorita Fran.
Por favor, haga mayo, cosita, qué ricas
Que el
son.
sábado iba a ir porque quería agregarle coco, hacer con coco, pero ay, no quise salir.
No, mejor que no.
God, I had an hour sleep this afternoon. I just woke up and I'm still. I have no idea where I am.
Mejor
And
y
in 4
cositas.
minutes,
En
we
la
are going to
semana
have
hacemos más cositas.
the
la podemos
manufacturing
hacer juntos.
data,
Porque quería comprar el aceite de
which is not
coco.
that important. It's important,
Yo le puedo comprar esas cositas.
but we want the services. Services is
Ya,
what's
espérame,
going to be exciting.
estoy en YouTube. Oh, que lata haber cerrado mi directo. Five minutes for news.
Hi, bro. At the moment, sell or buy entry gold M1, or I will wait. Mate, the move already happened, so we are in position
Yeah.
because
¿Quién es Harramux? Hola, Harramux.
we are in
Love to
position
see you
already, so
here.
there's nothing to do. If you miss the move,
Hi.
do not jump.
I also
in,
like to see
you know,
you.
candle like this, because one pullback is going to wipe out not just your account, but sometimes
Yeah,
your
it's
grandson,
late.
grandchildren's account.
It's late for entering.
or in heritage. So just don't. If you see a candle like this, just don't do anything. Just walk away from the screen. Am I right?
It'll wipe out your whole bloodline.
Yeah.
Wow.
How many of you, hands up, did it ever happen to you? Like you saw this candle, you started jumping on, like when it was going down, you started selling and then it pulled back and boom, closed you out.
So many times.
Me.
Until we learn.
Yeah, that's me.
Do not touch a candle like this if you haven't caught it like I or we did. Yeah, if you... yes, Marinus, how can I help?
Especially before news.
Yeah. Oh, you just raised your hand because it happened to you. Yeah. God, good old days. I was like, oh, let's jump on it. Market is selling off. Oh no, it pulled back. Fuck. Where's the deposit? Oh, by the way, did you guys take advantage of the 4xc deposit bonus? Because it is, I'm not sure if it's going on. If it's still ongoing.
I wanted to try the funded, Thomas, but I didn't.
Oh, the you funded?
Yeah, I wanted to try, but still, I haven't contact. I'm in contact with them, but I need to do it still.
They had an issue with the payouts due to the Middle Eastern situation. I'm just about to.
Oh, okay.
How do I put the banner? I want
to tell me
shout out to
because,
Kamas that I am
No, it
looking
should
at
be
him
fine now.
live trading.
Okay. But I do recommend them still.
The Alpha Forex in YouTube. That's where I'm listening on the other side. Oh my God, Bitcoin.
Yes, so take advantage of the 50% deposit bonus and you can claim up to 2,000 deposit bonus if you use the code AlphaFX50. Remember that.
Yep.
Let's have a look at today's data. I'm going to lock in some positions, guys, as we speak now. That 2-lot sell is coming home. 6.5 grand booked. And do I need that 4K as well. Yep, very good. So far today booked £10,000. 11,200 just to be correct. As showing the losses, showing the profits as well in it.
That is, it's a little bit more than a salary of somebody who's working every day.
Yeah, but you saw the losses last week. That loss, you know, it's... yeah, it was the annual salary of some people. Transparency is key, so this is what I live by. And I'm showing the losses as well as the wins.
30.
But so far you have been selling this whole downtrend, so it has been amazing. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much.
We are so
babe.
lucky to have you.
Oh.
Very, very true. I second and third that.
You can have all of me, ladies.
One. And news.
PMI is out. Yeah, inflationary, good. But it's only manufacturing, so don't jump into new sales. I would say lock in profits and just walk away. As for the AlphaFX members, because you guys should have made money today. If you did, just book it and walk away. I wouldn't trade on this data, the ISM manufacturing data. It's strong, but it's alright. It's in line with the expectations, so nothing special. So as for gold, the main target is still well below. So the target is 4,360 and the ultimate target is 4,280. Yields are definitely rising up. And I have a feeling that we're going to see some of the biggest inflation we've We've seen him live. Hey, Christian, how you doing? Nice to meet you.
Posso ler poi un Christian ciao. No, ciao, siete lo fast for quadrato.
What language is that? Enjoying the shopping, Christian. How you doing?
He doesn't realize that he's on.
No.
No. In the shopping mall with his family.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, all is dumping and I'm gonna wait until the pullback.
Hey, Christian.
Yes. Sorry.
No, it's okay. We really enjoyed to see the tour of Finland or Sweden, Denmark, Copenhagen.
You're talking? Is it me?
Yeah.
What I want, guys,
sorry,
for
I'm
the
not
ones
on
who are
mute.
looking
Not
at
Copenhagen,
me
is Romania.
in live streaming,
Are you in Romania? Ce faci, mafia?
I want
I'm good.
Good.
I'm trying to catch the trend. I lost a few
anyways.
grand today. I
For
didn't
my
listen to
YouTube
you.
followers,
I thought
I'm looking for a
I'm gonna
pullback
be
towards
good
this
on my own
area
and
to enter
lost
a new
10K.
sell.
Hey,
Let's
always
see if we
listen
get
to
10K is that's a
Over
lot,
leverage.
mate.
Over leverage, one loss and then another 0.5 and kept adding in.
And now you're gonna lose another 10K with your wife in the shopping center.
Let's hope not.
I hope but you're okay financially, yeah?
I am very
Okay.
better than.
Thank you, Haramu.
I'm better than.
Okay.
I wanna put
Otherwise,
some
I can
there's
give you
a
a
lot to
personal
learn.
call.
So, yeah, no, bless you. Otherwise, if I listen and I'm on the group and I don't put it on anyone. It was just me. And if I listen to the group, you can actually make good money. It's you get a good value for money in terms of what's happening on the group. Whatever the membership is, you can make it in first 20 minutes.
Mate, this is the best
it's
paid
really
best
good and much
paid promotion
appreciated.
best £5 ever spent. Thank you.
I know. Do we close this cell or we let it run?
The lowest trade when I sent into the group the full margin sell, I closed it down. I left only a small runner, and look at it. It's running at.
Patient, guys, patience. Now we cannot
yeah,
enter a new sell, and we cannot either enter buys because the action is going lower.
From last week.
So sellers are active, but I want a pullback to enter a new sell.
It will fall more.
Okay,
but we're going to
I see that the volume around the candles in the 5 minutes
Yeah, well, retrace.
is
retracement. Do you want to get
interesting, is big.
No,
And what I
no,
want
closed
is a
down.
pullback. Here we can see that the volume is decreasing. So I think we are going to have a pullback, as I said before, around this area, and let's see if we get it.
Exactly. When you see a candle like this and you miss the move, just walk away. Don't start trading. That's the worst. We just discussed. That's the worst.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll take you. I'll put myself on.
Yeah.
I'll put myself on mute so you can get on with the. Yeah.
Okay.
The action is very strong, guys.
Keep in touch.
Let's see.
Bless you and thanks for everything you're doing for the whole group. Much appreciated.
Such a nice guy. Love him. Very nice guy. Okay, guys. So there's what else to say. Those of you who just joined the stream on YouTube, you can join the community as said by Christian. Good value for money. Very cheap, very good. We get morning briefings where I explain what's happening with the markets. Also explaining, things like yield curve, things like yields, macroeconomics. This is the kind of stuff that you don't get to learn from Instagram traders like Daniel Savijan,
That's why we need to join
Lambo
Thomas.
Raul, maybe they learned over the years watching some of my streams, but usually you don't get to hear this level of stuff. But this is what moves the markets, isn't it, Adrian?
Yes. I missed the move, bro.
Yeah, but you milked in the morning. When I was losing, you were winning.
Yes,
And
but
last week as well.
I don't trust this motherfucker today, and I'm waiting and I'm waiting and stopped out at BE, stopped at the BE,
Shout
and
out
then
to
the move
Damas
happened.
and Adrian
And
doing live stream.
I put it on my chart, and it breaks the level, and it is simple. It's break and retest, and I'm not able to put the sell button. I don't know why, and it ran 400 pips. I say, what the fuck? I'm so bad to follow the move, Thomas. This is not my. I'm not good at this. In this time.
Yeah. And what's the solution at this point of time? You just walk away, right?
Just watching.
Come back to
just watching. Yeah. Just watching. 2 years ago, I would have burned my account today.
Range or rage trading.
Yes. FOMO, and now the retracement. Now it happened. Now and blown the account. But
no, usually I would say a trader has one good opportunity a day. But if you miss it, don't chase it. Just be like Adrian, be a little pervert and just watch it.
Yes. But first, grab your 300 pips in the morning. This is important.
Yeah. I've seen it. I was in drawdown and I've seen your post of like, oh, this motherfucker, I want to be like him.
Don't be a lazy fucker.
Yeah.
Be a sneaky pervert. And then you can watch it, okay?
Yeah.
Adrian
be a
is
pervert like Adrian.
Adrian, you are like a sniper entry or not at all? All or nothing?
Yes, exactly, Francesca. Zero drawdown, all in, or nothing. This is for me. I can't put 250 pips of stop loss and reduce my lot sizes, and I'm so strict in my trading. This is crazy. This is.
But you have to change. You think you have to first start thinking that you are good joining the move, and then you're gonna start practicing. I think because it's just a matter of like habits. It's like Tamas. He's so good in joining the moves.
He's the king.
He's the king.
This is,
no.
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Please continue.
No. But Francesca, you advised me as well. Join the move, and I joined the move 2 times, and I run in heavy and stop loss. It was crazy. We sent DMs each other, you know. This and when you, like Thomas said before, when you then in the retracement, then it's gone. And when gold runs in the retracement, Francesco, you know it. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 pips, easy. That's why I'm sniping all the time.
All or nothing.
Yes.
But it's good.
That's my life.
But maybe it helps when you look at higher time frames. Like sometimes Thomas is I guess Thomas looks more like 15 minutes. What time frame do you look?
4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes.
I use only 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, because I'm looking for the confluences, Francesca. And when I look for reversals, then I use the 1 minute and 5 minute for engulfing candles or something like this. And when the confirmation is starting, then I join the move. If gold didn't pick me up with my limit order, okay?
Yeah. I see.
This is like I trade. This is my style of trading, and I'm using trend lines and all the things that Thomas hates so much.
No. I didn't say. I love trend lines. I Fibonacci, mate. I'm gonna tattoo it on my.
Yes, Fibonacci is king. I use it all the time, Thomas.
I love trend lines, but trend lines don't move the markets. Fibonacci don't move the markets.
I know.
Geopolitics and macroeconomics move the markets. Where do we use technical analysis, entries, and exits? End of story.
Correct. I use the trend line to see 100, 200 pips of reaction. Yeah. When I saw a trend line on a higher time frame, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours maybe, or daily, then I have a good opportunity for my strat. Okay?
Yeah.
And then I use the trend line, but I don't use the trend line for the 1 minute. Okay? When we see a break and retest. It's possible, but it's not mine. I'm not happy with that.
Yeah. But you're doing well, so.
No, I think yes. I think yes. Getting better and better and better. You know, the struggle was
At least you
real.
got hair. You got muscles.
Sorry?
You got hair. You got muscles.
Yes.
You got hair. You got a beautiful family. You got money. You should be a happy man.
Yes, I'm very thankful, Tomasz. I was struggling. You know exactly what I'm talking about. I was struggling, and I do it all by myself, only with my wife. Moved to another country, grow the little daughter, and now we are back on track, bro. This is so fucking good and amazing, and I say thank you to me every day in the middle.
Yeah.
Every day.
You left the demons behind.
Yes. Of course.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yes, bro. This is that's why I'm so thankful to Dubai. Makes me a better person. This place makes me a better person, makes me a better father, a better trader, and a better team member maybe as well. And that's why I'm giving back to the team what I've learned the hard way, you know, to make for some people maybe a little bit easier. Thomas, you know?
Yeah.
When
Once
they
you reach
get-
the top, just send back down the elevator.
Sorry?
Once you reach the top, you have to send down the elevator for others as well. You need to help.
Yes.
And you're doing very well.
I love it to share my charts, and when people or team members participate in my trades, I love it. And they sent me DMs and said, Adrian, I'm so happy, I'm so glad, thank you for your help, and so on and so on. And that makes me really, really happy, Thomas. Really.
Yeah.
I don't need it, but it makes me very happy.
I know, and I'm especially grateful to you, to Francisca, to David, to Mr. Schalk, to everyone, you know, who participates. Whether you have a channel or not, those of you pitch in little by little, and this is why our community is the strongest among all others. Because there's no, you know.
Yeah, Adrian, I'm like really thankful for what you've done. To be fair, like you share a lot of your stuff.
It's true. Thank you all. We are so lucky, so grateful. Bravo.
You should never forget this trading space is so fucking shady, and that's what what you create, Thomas. I wrote it many times in share your chart section. How thankful I am. This is a fucking shady business. Okay, everybody is posting the profits, the Lamborghinis, the food, the girls, the parties in Dubai or something, or Miami or something else. But this community, this platform is from traders for traders. This is real. This is so real. This is amazing. This is really amazing.
It's true.
We lose together, we win together, and we help each other. This is a community, a real community.
It's true.
Thomas, what he wants to say is he loves you.
Yeah, I know.
What
We all
girls?
do.
Yes. I'm thankful.
Yeah, no, he's speaking the truth. I mean, Adrian says the same things, and this isn't his first year. He says the same things for many years, for Reason and others as well. Because we have the best community. There are bad days, bad weeks. 2024, I had 3 months of losing. Mate, people wanted to kill me. The worst 3 months of my life.
Oh, it's hard.
But then 7 months straight wins. When the Ukrainian war started in February, March, April, something like this. No, that was before 2024, 2020. Anyhow.
February 24.
I have to leave. My daughter is back from the doctor. I say goodbye.
Bye, Adrian. Bye-bye.
Nice week.
Bye, Adrian.
Bye.
See you, Adrian. Take care.
Good trader, good girls.
So yeah, there's, you know, it's heartwarming, and but I do agree everything what he said. But I've heard this story over and over again. People come, people leave, but then people always come back to the Alpha community because it's
That's me.
transparent, because we help each other, And
It is so true.
people just love my jokes, so they keep coming back.
That's the best part.
Okay, guys. Let's have a look at the calendar. This is it for today. The movie's already happened.
Okay, I want
Macroeconomic data did
to
not
have a new cell.
make any damage
just
or
dropping.
any profit.
And
What
I
moved
am
the market
having...
was the suspension
Well,
of the
we
peace
had
talks.
like 2 sales today, so both entries
Because
are in a very good profit.
Israel have been attacking
I was looking to enter a new one,
in Lebanon.
which I'm
And
not
this was
gonna get
something
in
was-
if I don't
that
get
was
the
brought up by
pullback.
Kill,
Well,
actually.
if I look
We
into
are
the
not
50
the
minutes, what I'm waiting
last
again
week.
is
I
a
had no idea
pullback
that these
towards
guys
this
are
area.
connected. So thank you,
to
Yanar.
get a new
And
sell.
unfortunately, you were right.
Or even 4,520.
Yep.
That's another option.
And
I
you
would
were
love to,
So,
but I'm gonna be
let's
patient
have a
and
look.
wait.
Yields are back again on the 2-year short end.
Yeah.
Look at the yield curve.
Wow.
It's going to invert very soon. I think a few weeks. Few months definitely will be inverted. Short end will shoot up to the moon or sun, whatever. Oil prices, Brent cash is at $96. Not too bad. Better than 110, 120. But because of the suspension of peace talks, it could easily go higher. But many of the countries managed to replace the missing barrels, luckily, and I'm very, very glad they did. So they found alternative sources, whether it's from the US or from Northern Europe, I don't know, but apparently many of the countries managed to get some extra supply. When the market is under stress, they always find a solution, and thanks God, or whoever is up there, many of the countries managed to do it, and I'm hoping that we're going to have enough jet fuel for the family
So
holiday in
I
June.
am going to
This is
send
all I care about.
a new
My
game plan
fund,
for
my
our
son's
team,
first flight,
saying that I am waiting
first
for a
big family
pullback to
trip,
get
so
a new entry.
that's all I'm care. I don't care what's happening in the Middle East, what these guys do with each other. I have absolutely no
Coming
interest.
to, you coming to Bonaire, Aruba?
Not yet. That would be too long. So my son is only 3.5.
Ah,
So
okay.
we chose a closer destination.
Next
But
time.
it's
next
the first
time.
trip with an airplane. Yeah.
Okay. Have fun, man. It's nice.
Yeah. So, quick debrief. Yields are rising, oil is rising, and that puts a bearish pressure on gold. Those of you who missed this big ass move, wait for the retracement. When is the replacement going to happen?
Yeah, Thomas says
That's a
that
question
we
which
should
is
wait
impossible to
until
ask what will
the
happen.
pullback.
How to determine the retracement entry level? You need to look at the chart. So when the market starts going back up again, just put the Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. We have a big ass candle, big ass wick on the top, so it could be, just average it. It's always a good idea. So you can see if you put it from swing high to swing low, you can see that the 38.2 lines up with the daily support S1 and
is
the
the best
weekly pivot.
area
So-
to sell.
And if you look left on the charts, you have a beautiful head and shoulder with the right shoulder. So you get 4 confirmations
Perfect.
at this price
Head
level.
and shoulder, Thomas
Price
says.
could easily pull back to this level and then continue to sell off.
Right. So
This
we get a
is the
beautiful
highest
head and
probability.
shoulders, he
If
says.
it goes a little bit higher,
Beautiful.
there is a
Christmas tree.
chance. If it starts
we
selling
get the
off
pullback
lower,
there, it
there is a
looks
chance. I can only give you a sell zone at the moment because the market is volatile, but somewhere around between 4,485 and 4,510.
I think
price
it looks
will
good
pull
for
back
a
to,
pullback though.
And from there, if the situation remains the same,
Right?
price will
Unable to
continue
reclaim
lower.
this zone, it will be the perfect sell.
Okay. Thank you, Thomas.
Have a good one, guys. See you
Thank you,
tomorrow.
Thomas.
Thank you.
Yes,
Have
thank
a
you.
good day.
Thank you, Thomas.
See
Thank
ya.
you.
Thank you.
Okay. It's finished now. What else is there? Thank you, Thomas. Shout out to him. Yeah, here we have some. Anyways. Okay, I'm gonna invite my team to join the live trading, and I'm gonna trade for like the next hour. Let's see. I made a mistake. I sent it to the, should I hold? Sorry guys, I sent it into the wrong place. I sent it into the public. Yeah, now I'm gonna trade live with my team. Let's go. Hi guys again.
Hey.
Now we're back.
Oh.
That was fun to join Thomas.
Yeah, good vibe. Good vibe, yeah?
Being grateful is the best vibe. So I was looking at the same that Thomas was sending, that a pullback towards this area will offer the best opportunity to enter new sales, right? I think that's the best case scenario, because here, yeah, we get a lot of confluences here. Also is previous day value area low, the head and shoulders, the VWAP, the 20 SMA, so many things. And there's also a naked point of control from previous session. So 4,500, 4,490, if we get the pullback. Let's see.
That's the thing. Sometimes, so wait, let me just do some measurements. Hold on.
Excuse me?
I said I'm just going to do some measurements, because sometimes you can miss the pullback. Just looking.
Right.
If there's something before, and just you know what you said on the lower time frame, you know? I just look for, how do you say, inefficiencies, gaps, things like that, you know?
Right. I think if gold could like invert this bearish fair value gap here, then we can get like a pullback towards this zone. Otherwise, if it starts disrespecting this fair value gap again, the bullish one, the little one that we got, then I think we are gonna keep dropping. But at this point, it's a little dangerous to get in here. Like I would not enter here. I will wait until we get the pullback.
Okay.
I think. I don't know if you are.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. It's just like analysis, but I don't know. You are already inside the cell, so if you are in a good position, you just have to hold.
The 1 minute, yeah?
Huh?
The 1 minute. You know you like the 1 minute, yeah?
I like the 1 minute.
Right. I'm seeing resistance at that fair value gap. It keeps on rejecting from that area.
Here, yes.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it. I see it, but what I don't like is that we got like a big drop, and also a pullback is very likely at this point, especially because the volume in this drop was huge, and there is no follow through. So that's when you get such a pullback and then you see that the volume is decreasing, like here, the likelihood when we get a drop so strong and then volume is decreasing, the likelihood of a pullback is likely, because here you see that sellers are getting trapped. People which is late in the move, they are going to sell here, thinking that the price is gonna keep dropping, but price could reverse, because actually the sellers got in here, like the ones who were good position, they got in there, right? And from there, I think we could say that probably they are exiting, already taking profit, because volume is dropping, right?
Decreasing, yeah.
So volume for me is important. Let's say, for example, here we can see last Friday we got this uptrend, and then volume was decreasing, right?
Decreasing, yeah.
And then
that's divergence. That's divergence, isn't it? Yeah.
What?
That's divergence.
Divergence, yes. Yeah, that's a divergence in price, and you can say that the move already happened when you get this divergence and then it's decreasing, and at some point buyers got exhausted and price, well, we swept the liquidity from the highs we marked, and then price started decreasing, and since then never came back. So now I think we should only wait until a pullback to get in new sales. But if you are already in, then you are in a good position.
Yeah, my ones is already in. I moved my stop, so that's fine. On one account, I just need like literally 100 pips more.
That's good. Oh, nice.
So
yeah, it keeps dropping. This thing is not stopping. It's just that everything is. It looks so good for gold to drop. Bitcoin is dropping so strong too.
No, Bitcoin. Beautiful. So normally Bitcoin makes me lose accounts like anything, yeah?
Bitcoin is difficult. It's more difficult.
It can be, but I'm getting better at it.
Yeah. That's good.
Thank God.
Thank God. Yeah, because Bitcoin is very hard. It doesn't move like gold.
Because you know, there's a lot of retail newbies who trade Bitcoin.
Yeah, but it's difficult. I wouldn't recommend it if people doesn't know how to read, like, for example, order flow, or actually like on-chain data, which in Bitcoin you can get more information, and that's what we need to get like good positions. The more information we have, the better. In some of the classes, in some of the live streams, in the mentoring, I'm gonna include like my favorite setups to trade Bitcoin, which includes on-chain data, and it gives you a better bias, because sometimes you need to know if, like for example, Coinbase is buying, or is Binance, or if Coinbase is the most important leading indicator in Bitcoin. And then it's easier. If a retail trader doesn't know how to read those things, I think that the probabilities of losing are higher. Because it doesn't move like gold.
No. I learned the hard way.
Yeah. Well, are you trading more than those two assets?
I trade, do you know what I trade? It's funny. I trade gold, I trade BTC, and I trade NASDAQ. Lately.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah. And then sometimes I might trade, US 30 or ES or S&P, I mean.
Okay.
Because what I do is I compare, the indices together. I prefer NASDAQ for some reason, but anyway, I can trade any of them.
Yeah, that's good. The NASDAQ.
Sometimes I trade maybe GBP USD, Euro USD.
Okay. Yeah, I learned with the time to focus on, like, you don't need more than 2 or 3 assets, because
I know.
At least for me,
sometimes I look at something and it's so juicy. Let me try.
That sometimes you look different charts, you said?
Sometimes I look at Euro USD and GBP USD, and just by chance, at that point, it just looks juicy,
Sure.
So I risk a trade, but my stop is tiny, It's like
it doesn't hurt.
My risk is tiny, so I don't mind entering some trades sometimes. If I'm risking like a massive trade, like a swing trade or something.
Yeah.
I risk $100 to try and earn $1,000.
Yeah. Yeah, I see. Well,
if
it doesn't hurt you. It doesn't hurt you.
Yeah.
Cannot hurt.
It's good to concentrate on 1 or 2. That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. I find gold, it has everything. And the S&P500, it also, or the NASDAQ, they move differently than gold, which is also good to have those 2 assets, I think.
Yeah. You just have to make sure you react when something changes. I would say make sure you react. Sometimes I'm a bit lazy. I'm like, no, I'm staying.
It's true. You see, now gold, I think, is holding this small little fair value gap, which is here. I hope we can get that retracement For the late sellers.
But it's holding it, you're right, it's holding it, look at that.
So someone is asking me in YouTube if I have a Discord community. Yes, we have. You have to look into. I will send the link into YouTube, guys.
To the Alpha FX, yeah.
No. The Fractal flow.
Oh.
Yeah, we are.
Okay. You got Discord as well?
Yeah. I send it into the group though.
Did you send it to me? You know what?
I send it into the group.
Okay.
I think it's also when you get into the descriptions of Telegram, there you can find the Discord community.
Okay. I'll see.
Yeah, there. Yeah, I send it.
I prefer Telegram because it's like easier.
It's easier.
Discord is like so many rooms.
Yeah, me too. No, and also that we use Discord for Alpha Forex, so I rather to have it in Telegram. So then we don't clash into the servers or Telegram, Discord things.
Yeah, I understand.
But the point in Discord is that I am going to share some like live stream alerts and these kinds of things. It's also good to have it.
Okay. Yeah, Discord does that good. That's true.
Yeah. Okay. How are we doing, guys? Now we are getting the pullback. I think soon. Yeah. Actually, this looks like a buy. No, but it's too risky.
This is the area where it keeps on rebounding from.
Right.
So that's why.
Yeah, but you see that the volume of the sellers was huge here and price is holding. So for me, this is a little bit of absorption.
Okay.
Volume decreasing on the sales, then price unable to drop even further, and then yeah, I'm waiting for a pullback. Also, we got this fair value gap, the breakaway fair value gap, which is confluent with VWAP, naked point of control, session value area low. So let's see. Patience. It's so true what Thomas was saying, that so many times we enter the sell, we see such a huge candle and the price stops dropping, or something like that.
But sometimes you can be lucky. If you're really fast, you can secure.
Yeah, sure. That's the most important.
You know what I mean? But because otherwise you miss the whole move.
Yeah, right.
Once it happened to me, I literally sold it at the bottom and it started straight up.
Yeah, so many times, me too. That's why I start learning more other tools, because every time, especially with Bitcoin at the beginning, I was like, oh my God, price is dropping, and then I enter and then it reversed. Like, yeah, but for example, if you enter a sell here, the invalidation is like actually like a real invalidation for me is when price starts reclaiming. If price will start doing something like this, this is invalidation. If price starts building value, this is the real invalidation for me. And sometimes if we don't enter on a good level, then you need a huge stop loss like that. It's not good. So a real invalidation is that if price, and I don't think that's going to happen today, at least. I think the next liquidity target is this one. So that's why we are targeting these lows. Like Thomas said, is also his take profit zone.
We're literally consolidating, aren't we, since for the last hour?
Which one? Sorry?
It's like we're consolidating for the last hour.
Gold?
Yes. It's like in the range now. When you think about it.
Yeah, I think
like it's like a bear flag it's made when you think about it as well. 15 minute. You can see a bear pennant.
Here in the 15 minute? You mean?
Yeah.
You mean a bear flag like this? Something like this?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You can see the triangle, yeah?
Yeah, I see the triangle.
I'm just saying. Come on.
Yeah.
I'm already in.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I think, but here, yeah, if it doesn't reclaim this zone and then we get rejected here, it could also be a sell opportunity, but that's why we were ready since Asian session. And for the ones who are just joining the YouTube, we are trading Asian and New York session for the next 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna trade a London session and New York session. You are welcome to join.
I'll do my best for Asia.
No, London.
I just go and I'm sleep. When I was in Argentina, it was lovely, you know. I was away.
Oh, nice.
Like, wow. I think your time frame, your time zone where you are now is the best.
Right?
Because
yeah, I like it here. No.
Yeah, you get the market closed. It happens at a good time.
Thailand or Asia is the best time zone for me because you get to trade Asian, London, and New York. You remember in between like September to March, I was in India, in Sri Lanka, and Thailand, and then it was like the best. We did so many good profits. I mean, good trades.
This is why we trade. So we can travel the world.
Yeah. It's all about freedom. That's why we're traders, you know. We can travel the world, be free, work wherever we want, and it's also fun, you know. Like it's a triple win.
Next month I'm going to Spain.
You are going to Spain? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
A place there.
Where?
It's in Murcia, in the south, yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
20 minutes from the beach. I'll be there for 3 months.
Beautiful. Nice. Good weather. Better than England.
Fantastic weather, yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, I'll go there with my husband and my 2 dogs.
Oh, sweet. You have to send some pictures.
I will. Oh, they're the best. It's all for them, really.
To have like a trader in the family.
Yeah.
They like what you do.
My family, yes, they're okay. But it's still for me to make it, you know. I still got to make it and show that I'm consistent.
Yeah, that's the point. That's what we need
but
to.
But I'm nearly there. I think I'm nearly there.
That's good.
I just have to keep my head. That's all.
Yeah, discipline is the most important. Like psychology is the most important part that we don't need to give away our wins or FOMOing. You know, keep your risk tight. And that's the most. It's about survival.
Bitcoin 71,400.
Wow. Did Thomas actually enter a Bitcoin sell last week?
I think he did last week, but I don't know if he's still got. Let me see if he's still got it on his. Or even the week before. I mean, I've been selling for ages. I haven't even changed to buy. You know, I'm just selling that thing. Let's see.
Yeah. Even the S&P500 looks very weak today, right? I mean, it swept previous day high, and it swept. No, it still doesn't sweep previous day low. But yeah, it looks kind of weak. I would like to sell if we get a pullback again. I'm gonna put some alert around 7,600 in S&P 500.
Okay.
Which is the daily VWAP. And yeah, but I think the yields are making everything to drop. Yeah, these escalations in the Middle East are not so good.
I can't see a BTC sell from Thomas. He might have closed it already. I don't know.
Possible. No, I think it's also difficult. Bitcoin, you know, you get tired sometimes of losing with that thing. Better to stick with one asset that one is good, like gold.
Make the money, take the money.
Yeah. Better to trade only gold, which has everything, and then we are happy.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Now we only have to wait. I think.
I need to make a phone call.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, yeah. I can see and hear you anyway.
Yeah, it seems like now price is gonna pull back. I could enter a buy here, but I don't want to because the action is lower. But for example, a reclaim of this zone is not gonna give us so many pips. But yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Francisca.
Yes.
I want to know, how do you set VWAP for your chart?
Okay, so here
SMA for similar like you, SMA 20 and 200.
you put it already. Okay, SMA, and then now you can add this indicator, which is the VWAP multi-time frame. Turn off the 50 minutes, the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, 4 hour, and 6 hour, and leave only the VWAP in the daily time frame, weekly, monthly, 3 months, 6 months, and yearly VWAP. Okay? Here you're going to see a dashboard, and then you will see if the price is below the VWAP, below the weekly, below the monthly, below the yearly. So action is lower here, right? You see now we are getting the pullback towards the VWAP. The VWAP always acts as a magnet. If you are too far away from the VWAP, you can expect that price is gonna pull back towards the VWAP. And yeah, something like this, for example, I think. Something like that. And yeah, here, for example, where was the VWAP in this zone? I think this is the VWAP, yeah. You see price opened here in the Asian session. And then we got, I think we sold here, right? I don't remember. We sold that one, and then price lost the VWAP. It dropped immensely, and around London session it pulled back towards the VWAP. New Year's session we got the news here, and price reclaimed the VWAP. Then we got the flip, the slow moving average, and then we got like the rotation towards the highs, right? So using the VWAP is an amazing tool because it's the volume weighted average price, and price usually pulls back towards this zone because you want that I think the point is that the volume, yeah, it's always averaging towards the VWAP. I don't know how to say it, but it's like that. I will try to make a class about it, but it works amazing. For example, when we were in January, and gold was doing such a huge move that we were trading. I don't know, were you in the group in January? In Alpha? You were not. Were you in the Alpha Forex Academy in January?
Yeah.
Yes. We were buying all these, but when you see that the actually price is extended so far away from, for example, the yearly VWAP, the monthly VWAP, and the weekly VWAP, then you can say that it's too extended, and the VWAP acts as a magnet, right? Here, the VWAP acts as support here, and then now, since we had this big sell-off when the war started, the price haven't been able to reclaim the yearly VWAP, which is this purple moving this price, right? It rejected. This is the purple. The second one, which one is it? Yeah, that's the 3 months. The celeste is the 6 months, and the yearly I had it in, yeah, that one. I'm gonna put the 3 months, the monthly, yeah. So that's how you set it up. Just use the higher time frames: daily, monthly, weekly, and yearly. Okay. In the Asian session, around the opening, you want to see if the price is above VWAP, and if it lost the VWAP, then you can say that sellers are in control. You can also use the 20 SMA to get in entries. Imagine today, like we got this entry, we lost the VWAP, we retested, we got the entry here, and then the 20 SMA has been working as a resistance, right? We got a little pullback towards the VWAP, and then 20 SMA, you could use it as a, look here, we were not able to reclaim the 20 SMA, and now we are dropping again, right?
So in and all, when you say VWAP, if I'll give you a question, like when you wake up or you start your day for the trading, how do you plan your trade? What kind of confirmation you are looking for? You are using VWAP, also the volume profile, the order flow, all this together. I mean,
yeah, definitely. The more information you have, the better decisions you can take, right? It's not gambling. Like the probabilities, you want that they are on your side. So when you open the session, I wait usually until the Shanghai opens, which is 1 hour after Tokyo. Right here, Tokyo opens. Tokyo opens are at 8. So 1 hour after Tokyo open is Shanghai open, which is in China, and they come with a lot of volume. So I will wait until that time to enter positions here, and I want to see what is the how this opens, and if sellers are active in China, then I think that the probabilities of the price dropping is high. So I use volume VWAP. I also use fair value gaps. If I see that there was an imbalance created and price is respecting this one, price is respecting the fair value gap here, and we just use also the 20 SMA to know like who is in control, and if we can get like new entries. If you are a scalper and you want to add more and more entries, imagine you could have entered one sell here in the retest of the VWAP after it was lost, after Shanghai open, one entry, then again a second entry around here in the retest of the 20 SMA, again here, then price was pulling back towards the VWAP and this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, then we get a new entry there to target the lows, which was previous Friday's low, right? So that's how that's how I do it. And I also look the order flow, which is only for the mentoring. I'm not sharing in YouTube, but that's one of the classes we are gonna look, and it gives you an extra edge. You want to have more information, because if you know a little more, then the probabilities are on your side. And this is a game of probabilities, right? I think Tamas also.
And for order flow, sorry.
sorry, I forgot to mention something very important is what we learn in Alpha Forex is that yields, the dollar, the oil, this gives you also more context on the probabilities that if gold is gonna rise or is gonna dump also, right? What was your question?
Just I was about to ask you the question regarding the order flow. Do you have a software dedicated or it is also available through TradingView?
No, it's not. I won't recommend. TradingView has a free order flow, but yeah, we're gonna look at in the mentoring classes. Okay. It's a different software, and then you also need to have like the data fee from the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which are like the ones who trade. There you got the data actually. So it's a different, and it's gonna be a separate class inside the mentoring. But in TradingView you can have it, but it doesn't work so nice. I think, how is it? I think you have to, I don't know if you have the premium version in TradingView. I think that's what you need to get the volume footprint here, right? And then you need to fix it, because like this you don't know, you don't see anything. You need to fix this. You need to fix the.
It's really clumsy, I would say. I tried. I have premium with TradingView, but it is not, very clear.
Yeah. Here, what we need to check is manual, I think, and ticks per row. This is what you need. I think you need 400. Let's see how it looks in cluster. Type later, you want to see the delta. So there you have a better, let's see, or 20 is more or less. 20 ticks per row. No, it's not, it's too less. I will put 100 maybe. Then it looks a little better. Yeah. 100 ticks per row is a little better, but this doesn't give you really the exact information. Let's see the 50 minutes. Let me see if you get absorption. Yeah. That's how I will fix it. I'm gonna make a little video about TradingView and the order flow, but I never use order flow in TradingView because I know that this is not the actual data. TradingView measures ticks per row, and what you need to know is different. But it still works. I mean, if you want to learn how to use it and look at the candles in a different way, this gives you more information, right? Yeah, manual 100 ticks per row or 150, let's say. Cluster and delta. Yeah, a little better, I think, like that. I think also it's important here, for example, you see that you see this dot? I think this is the point of control of the candle. And if the point of control of the candle is at the low, you can say that sellers are not good position here. You want to see the point of control inside the candle, or if you are selling, you want to see the point of control in the weak high of the candle. So you know that sellers entered on a good price here, right? This candle was like the beginning of the move, And when you see that sellers entered well in a good position, then you can, the probabilities that the price is gonna drop is higher than actually if sellers will enter at the week low. Look at here, point of control is here, and price is reverting. So I think that some sellers are getting trapped here, right? Someone is asking me in YouTube, can you explain the short squeeze? On Friday, price went up to eliminate all the orders, and then it came down again. How this was produced? Please explain. Okay, Friday. Let's go to the previous week. We got last week. Last week. One second. I'm gonna lower the volume a bit. Last week we were trading lower for 2 weeks. From the 11th of May, price was dropping and dropped a lot, right? So we were sweeping a lot of lows, a lot of previous week's lows, and price never really goes down in a straight line, right? So we sweep, for example, 29th of March low, 27th of March also. This one was untouched, so this is our target now. But when you see that price was dropping a lot, and also that I think on Thursday we got news events, and they were not so bearish for gold. They were actually a little bullish, so that's why I think we got this pump. And also that Trump was, I think, making some commentaries about like the war, so everything was more bullish for gold here, right? And we got a lot of highs from 18th of May and 22nd of May. All these highs, look, yeah, we swept all these highs only to drop further, but this was a combination of liquidity sweeps and also news. So you have to know that news will only get you to the target. And then once we swept these highs that we were targeting, we swept these highs, the Iranian prime minister, I think it came into with some news and said that there was not like a ceasefire, that everything was like the same as before. So that's why price, I think, starts dropping again, you know, like everything is fake news. So we are in between headlines. And that's the whole point. I don't know if it was a short squeeze or was more that actually fundamentally we got like positive news for the gold, combined with Trump tweets, and here it came the Iran prime minister to say that actually it was like things were the same. So that's why price is dropping, and now we are actually dropping also, I think, because we got like more escalations in the Middle East. Yeah. So like Tamas says, like fundamentally we want to know what's happening, right? And I don't know if I answered your question, but this is what I think. I don't know if actually market makers are trying to take your stop losses or not, but what it serves me is that I trade like a robot. I said I don't trade with my I don't try to predict what's going to happen. I just try to follow the price, you know. And when I saw last Thursday that we got this huge engulfing 1 hour candle, I stopped I stopped looking for sales. You know, here I enter a buy because I saw that the price was reclaiming, for example, these levels. For me, they were important. I entered a buy here because after this engulfing candle, I wouldn't enter sales. And also that price was dropping and sweeping all the previous lows. So here I was looking for buys, and that's why on Friday I saw that the price was holding support, price was holding the levels, and it looked constructive, right? So that's why we entered buys, and we were targeting these highs, which were liquidity weeks for me. And since then, price keep dropping, right? So I don't know, that's like a theory that some people have, that there is short squeeze, or like it could be, but it was also mixed with like positive news, right? So I think, you know, we want to trade without without much predictions, and just follow the price. Look what is the structure telling you. Sometimes it gives you more information than, for example, interpreting news or things like that. That's what I can recommend in the long term. And what serves for me is that here. I want to see if he's saying SMF Creations. I forgot your name, but I hope that you were listening to my explanation on why I think price was pumping last week. Yeah. Still waiting for the pullback, but I think I'm gonna close the live stream. Sooner than later. Hardik, are you there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna program the live sessions only for the mentoring group, and where we are going to look the order flow software and look what's coming next. Okay. But
sure.
At the moment, I am recording the live classes, and are 4 sections. So we are only in the first one. So we still have some time. But it's gonna be very exciting for me. It has served me so much to learn about order flow and different tools that give you a little bit more information.
Yeah. I'm also pretty much excited and looking forward to those sessions.
Have you learned a little bit further about like our different tools or things that we have shared?
Yeah, I'm keep on learning. You know, if I'll tell you, I was using Renko charts in former time.
You were what? Sorry?
This Renko based strategy. Renko charts.
Okay, I don't know it.
Yeah. So now this is something which is really exciting, and I'm also learning a lot of new things from your material which you are sharing.
I'm glad.
And I'm pretty much excited.
That's good. Yeah, I'm happy to share. For me, it helped me so much to learn about AMT and you know, having like an edge, mixing different things. It is very useful. At the beginning, I realized I knew anything, but once you start learning, especially order flow, then you and how structured it is, like the action market theory it gives you a very good context, like being able to look at the context in value and see what is accepting, see what is rejecting, and follow the price Sometimes we don't need to know so much the news, but the price advertise what's happening, right? The price is the advertisement, they said. Right? For if price is higher, we sell. If price is very low, we buy. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Any other question, guys? I think slowly building the...
One question, Francisca.
Yes.
What do you do, or what do you recommend to build a strong psychology, which you pointed out to the other to the other members of the group?
Yeah.
That psychology is very important thing.
It's 70%, I think, 80% in trading, because so many people.
So what do you recommend?
I talk with a lot of people, and like majority of the people have the same problem, that they FOMO in entries, and they have fear of missing out. They enter late, they impulsively trade, and that's like the biggest issue. I think that when you start getting in a snowball that you cannot get out at the end. You start like getting entries and being impulsive, and yeah, like there is so much psychology. But I think that once you start knowing yourself and start knowing where your like weak points in psychology are, then we can start working from there, right? If a person struggles with impulsive trading, then we need to practice patience, we need to practice to have rules. Rules are like by far the most important thing, because when you have an edge and you have rules, you just have to wait until the confluence of your setup is provided, because the risk is the most important part. Like this is a survival. Trading is very difficult and it moves very fast, right? The market moves very fast. So respecting risk is very important. And psychology, well, I'm not a psychologist, but I, at the end, I do my best to try to be disciplined in my life, to not like overtrade or to respect my rules. So I think that's important, that we have a set of rules, we have a strategy, and we respect it. We don't FOMO in, we don't enter late. We just have to wait, be patient, and wait for the price to provide your setup. For example, now we have an edge inside our community. We know the rules. We like what we were talking about, the VWAP, the 20 SMA, the fair value gaps. Everything gives you a bias. So it's just a matter of being patient, never FOMOing, and wait for the price to provide your perfect setup, right? But I think I was talking with another person, which is a psychologist, and I am planning to include one section inside the mentoring of psychology. Is the most important part.
Thank you so much.
I will try to send some books I have about psychology. What is your struggle, Hardik, in trading?
As I pointed out, I'm not able to hold the trades, winning trades for a long time.
Okay.
For example, from today, which I already shared with you,
yeah.
I booked the profit much earlier.
Yeah.
And Yes. I'm also doing this part-time, so at workplace, it's really difficult, to follow the market every time.
No,
And
I think it's important that you trade when you are tranquil at home. Don't try to trade when you are doing something else because you want to be under control, right? And I was talking with another member this morning, and he had the same problem. He was unable to hold trades, but now he told me that he's so much better, because it's about practice. You just trading is also habits. So you will get it's about getting the habit of moving your stop loss to break even and leave the trade to run. You are not gonna lose. And the worst case scenario is that it touches your break even and then you are still winning because you didn't lose. At the end, that's a win. Right? So how many do you enter with more than one do you set different TPs, or is your lot the smallest? You only have a credit for one take profit, or you could take like one take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3?
No, I aim for only one take profit.
So your
at the moment,
your lot size is the smallest.
Yeah, the smallest.
So at the end, I will keep it like that. It's good that you book profit now. You want to grow your account so that it allows you to split your take profits in two. Now your focus must be in growing your account. Take your profits, move on. Next day you try to make again, and then when your account is a little bigger, you start entering, for example, with 0.02. So then you split your take profit and take profit 1 and take profit 2. Right?
Okay.
I think I sent you our did I send it to you? Our ebook about how to take the trades? I don't remember if I sent it. This one. I will send it again to you. Show me it. Hardik, yeah. Because like this, if you enter a trade, you enter, for example, 2 or 3 positions with 0.01, and you place take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, which is open position. But then when you are in profit, you move everything stop loss to break even, so you never lose. And that's our main goal, to not lose. Protect capital as it was your life. Okay, so we're getting the pullback, guys, finally. You see what happened when people enter late? Like Thomas was saying, don't enter after such a big candle. Okay, hopefully we get the pullback around this area. Someone was asking in YouTube, where are we intended to sell? We are waiting for a pullback towards 4,490 or 4,500, around here. Maybe around this zone. Yeah, as we were looking before, for the ones who were not in, we were looking that volume was decreasing, so the probabilities of a pullback was very likely now. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, we got the inverted fair value gap, guys, so I think we are getting a pullback around here. Bullish fair value gap created, bearish fair value gap inverted. Now what I want to see is that price sweeps this high and maybe we get something like this, like that, I think the next sale is gonna come tomorrow. Maybe something like that, right? Yeah, we get the sweep of this high, 930. Yeah, this was the New York Open. Sweep and a retest of the value area low around here or here, and then we get a new sell. But yeah, I'm glad we didn't enter late sales. As I said, I was thinking about entering a long position, but it's too risky. We don't want to risk so much. So yeah, here something like that could have been a buy, but no. And also the dollar is dropping a bit, the oil is dropping a bit, and yields are dropping a bit. So that's why actually gold is giving us a pullback higher, I think. Yeah. Thank you for the ones who joined. I think I'm gonna cut the...
Thanks, Francisca.
Thank you. Was nice to have you guys. I'm gonna share if I see another opportunity in the Telegram, okay?
Great stuff. Thank you so much.
Take care. Have a good evening, guys. Good night in India.
Take care.
Namaste.
Goodbye.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Namaste.
Have a good day.
Namaste.
Bye, bye.
Bye.